Hi! The video you're about to see was filmed a year ago. So why didn't I upload it sooner? Well, because 2 days after filming I went to China for 2 months. So that's why you're going to see some changes, mostly in my hair. But don't leave just yet. I know it might be old, but it's still gold, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's do this.
And check.
What? No. Well, then I do this. Checkmate.
But that's not how you play chess.
Well, I am the queen. I just do whatever I want.
Hi everyone, it's Camille, and today I wanted to show you how to make a chess game with only cardboard, because as an architecture student it's the only thing I have laying around. So let me show you how to do it. So you will need a template for your pieces, like this one that you can find on the internet. So you have, I made researches. This one is rook, knight, bishop, king, queen and pawn. But what I don't understand is why is this one called a bishop? Because it's not a bishop. In France it's called a fool. I don't know, maybe because it only goes in diagonal. Let me know in the comments. I don't get this point. So for the cardboard I use a kind of white and craft one, or you can paint them or use white and black cardboard as you want, but I like this rustic feel. So you have to be careful about the thickness of your cardboard. This one is 1 millimeter, but maybe you should use something larger. I used 2 millimeters, but it was harder to cut. To begin with, each pawn is made of 2 parts. Since there is 16 pieces on each side, that makes 32 shapes of both cardboard, so 64 in total. I used a classic template, but you can have fun with the design. But you have to know that the more complicated your design is, the longer it will take you to cut everything out. So first of all, you can use the template to draw your shapes on the cardboard. So when it's done, you can still redraw some parts if you're not satisfied. Then take your scissors and start cutting on the line. I used an X-Acto knife for the tiny details. And if your cardboard is not as thin as mine, you can use directly the X-Acto knife. So to be honest, it takes quite a long time to cut everything, so you can watch a TV show at the same time. Once your shape is done, use it as a guide to draw the other half of the piece. Then cut straight line at the bottom of one shape and at the top of the other shape. So now you can put them together, and ta-da! One done, only 63 to go. After all of your pieces are cut out, you just have to find a nice box to put them in. I'm going to kill you. No, I'm going to kill you. No, I'm going to kill you. No. So once you've made your little pieces, you need a board to play on it. To make it easier, I cut a big square out of my craft cardboard. So mine is 32 centimeters square. And then I added 32 squares of cream cardboard. The size of your playboard depends on the size of your pieces. You need to make sure that one piece can easily fit in one of the squares. So there you have it. Your whole chess game is ready. So that is it for the video. I hope you like it and got inspired and maybe made one of your own. If you like the video, just give it a like, or you can subscribe. And so I wish you a good day and I see you in the next one. Bye! But you can do this! I am the queen! Yes, it gives me some Game of Thrones vibes. Cersei, the Ice Sparrow. Yeah. Should get to work.